Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Synthesia Pro login issues, Team and Workspace errors step by step clearly. To begin fixing Synthesia Pro login issues, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Check if your internet is working by opening a web browser and visiting a few websites. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Next, confirm that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos or mistakes. If you are unsure of your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. After resetting your password, return to the login page and input your new credentials. If you still encounter issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, navigate to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and select the option to clear browsing data. Once you've cleared the cache, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying to log in again. If the problem persists, try using a different web browser or switching to incognito mode. Occasionally, browser extensions can interfere with login processes, so disabling them might solve the problem. Another option is to check if Synthesia Pro is experiencing any service outages. You can do this by visiting the Synthesia status page or searching online for any recent downtime reports. If all else fails, try logging in from a different device to see if the issue is specific to your current device. If you can log in successfully on a different device, the problem may lie with your original device's settings or configuration. In case you're part of a team or workspace, make sure your account has the necessary permissions to access the platform. Contact your workspace administrator to confirm your access level if needed. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve your issue, reach out to Synthesia Pro's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your problem to receive a quicker resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.